Hi, I'm Mark. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to talk about electric vehicles and why even when our government has a good idea and tries to implement it, they end up screwing it up. If you enjoy my videos and want to make sure that you don't miss any of them, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you could help me out with the YouTube algorithm and smash that like button. I was thinking about purchasing a Tesla for my wife. She's put up with me long enough that she deserves a nice vehicle, and most recently she's landed on a Gullwing Tesla. That's her big dream. Also, California is moving toward only being able to purchase electric vehicles by 2035, so I thought I'd get a jump on that. Then someone told me about Joe Biden's Inflation Reduction Act and the $9,000 credit for electric vehicles. So I forgive him when I did a little research and it was only $7,500, and my coworker cost me $1,500 before I even started. That's okay. We have been thinking about purchasing a new car next fall, and when I heard that the cap on Tesla was going to be lifted on January the 1st, I thought, okay, we could go ahead and move our purchase up a few months. And I did verify that it is a credit, so it would be reducing my taxable income dollar for dollar, not just based on my marginal tax rate. So that all looked pretty good. I did see that there was a income cap of $150,000 for single filers and $300,000 for married couples filing, but I could work with that. That was okay. Then I dug into the fine print and found out that there is also a cap on the vehicle price. And of course, options and other features that you want, like, self-driving so you can ride in the back rather than the front, all add to the price, and the cap is based on the price. And I found out that the cap was $55,000, which means that right now, one Tesla model would qualify, maybe depending on the options that you got, at least for the time being. And there's probably no inflation adjustment on that price cap, so Tesla's going to be priced out in a year, maybe less. Of course, I could go ahead and buy that Tesla right now because the income cap and the price cap, they don't start until January 1st of 2023. Oh, but wait, Tesla's already sold 200,000 vehicles. So Tesla, GM, and Toyota, none of them qualify for the EV tax credit for the rest of this year. Not until January the 1st of 2023 does that go away. At the exact same time that the price cap for the car comes in. So what one government hand gives, the other government hand takes away. The government takes one cap away the same day they put two new caps on. Does the government want to encourage electric vehicle sales or not? This is just another example of our government having a good idea and putting in fine print that completely screws it up. I understand we don't want the super rich to be able to get the tax credit. The income cap makes perfect sense to me. I get that. But what in the world is the price cap supposed to do? If I make $75,000 a year and I want to live in a tent or live in my Tesla and that I buy for $75,000, what difference does it make? Just yet another example of our government hacks and the people who write our laws overthinking things. I'm Mark. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep that cash register spinning.